Ramp versus Brex. Choose the right bag. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Ramp and Brex. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Ramp. Ramp is a corporate credit card and spend management platform that helps businesses track and control expenses. One of its standout features is its automatic expense categorization, which can save companies a lot of time. Ramp also offers budgeting tools, accounting integrations, and a focus on cost saving opportunities. It's free to use with no annual fees, and businesses can earn cash back on their purchases. Now, let's talk about Brex. Brex is another corporate credit card service with a focus on startups and tech companies. It offers various benefits such as expense management tools, travel rewards, and no personal guarantee requirement. Brex gives users access to a broad suite of financial tools, including bill payments, accounting integrations, and real time financial insights. However, unlike Ramp, Brex charges fees for some of its advanced features and has a more complex reward structure. So that's basically the main differences are between Ramp and Brex, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.